Hello, my little champs. Welcome back to your math class for session number 3. Today, we will learn more about numbers. But before that, let's do revision of previous session. We learnt about before number, after number, between number, smaller number and bigger number. So, before number means one less than the given number. After number means one more than the given number. And between numbers lie in the middle of two numbers. It is always one more than the previous number and one less than the next number. In today's session, we will learn about comparison of numbers greater than, smaller than or equal to, ascending order, descending order and tables of 1 and 2. Let's learn about comparison of numbers with the help of a story. This is a story of one crocodile named Golu. Golu used to eat a bigger number. Let's help him to choose a bigger number. Here we have number 8 and number 3. Now, as Golu eats only bigger number, so he is trying to eat 8 because we know 8 is bigger than 3. And when he has eaten up number 8, he makes a sign of greater than, like this. This sign is used when we have a bigger number on left hand side. Now, see this example. We have number 3 and number 9. Yes, we all know Golu will eat number 9. And when he has eaten up number 9, he makes a sign of less than, like this. This sign is used when we have a bigger number on right hand side. Now, next example, we have number 5 and number 5. Now Golu get confused. Should I eat this one or this one? What should I do now? When he can't eat any number, then he makes a sign of equal, like this. When we have two same number, then we put a sign of equal. इस तरह हमने सीखा, अगर बड़ा नंबर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे है तो हम ग्रेटर देन की साइन यूज़ करेंगे. अगर बड़ा नंबर राइट हैंड साइड पे है तो हम लेस देन की साइन यूज़ करेंगे. और अगर जब दोनों नंबर सेम हो तब हम इक्वल्स टू का साइन यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व सम एग्जाम्पल्स. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, काइंडली रिमेंबर sign of greater than, less than and equals to. Now first we have number 55 and 46. Which is bigger number? Yes, 55. So if you will try to eat number 55, then you will open your mouth like this on left hand side. So we will put this sign and it is the sign of greater than. So we can read as 55 is greater than 46. Next we have 63 and 93. Which is bigger one? Yes, 93. So अगर आप 93 को खाने की कोशिश करोगे तो मुंह किस तरफ खोलोगे? Good. On right hand side. So we will put this sign. This sign is known as less than. So we can read as 63 is less than 93. Next, 34 and 39. Now you know 34 is less than 39. So we put the sign of less than. Next, 150 and 132. Here 150 is greater than 132. So we will put the sign of greater than. And at last 198 and 189. Try to do it. Good. 198 is greater than 189. Now let's learn about ascending and descending order through a video. The ascending and descending order of numbers. Here Shushma wants to climb up the stairs. When climbing up the stairs, from which number Shushma will start? 27, 25 or 21? Yes, Shushma will start with step number 21. After that, where will Shushma be next? Yes, on 25. And at last, she will be at step number 27. Now, when climbing down the stairs, from which number Shushma will start? Yes, from 27. After that, where will Shushma be next? Very good. At step number 25. And at last, she will be at step number 21. So my dear students, when writing three numbers in ascending order, we write the smallest one first, the middle number next, and the biggest one last. Similarly, when writing three numbers in the descending order, we write the biggest number first, the middle number next, and the smallest one last. So बच्चों, हम कह सकते हैं अगर नंबर्स का अरेंजमेंट छोटे नंबर से लेके बड़े नंबर तक के फॉर्म में है तो उसे हम असेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहेंगे, पर अगर नंबर्स का अरेंजमेंट बड़े नंबर से लेकर छोटे नंबर के फॉर्म में है तो उसे हम डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहेंगे. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व सम एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. 89, 98, 17, 70, 34. Now you all know students that for ascending order we have to start with the smallest one and move towards a bigger number. So in order to find out smallest one, we have to compare the first digit of every number. For the 89, 8 is the first digit. Similarly for 98, 9 is the first digit. For 17, 1 is the first digit. For 70, 7 is the first digit. And for 34, 3 is the first digit. Now you all know which is the smallest one? Yes, 1. So first we will write 17. After that, good, 34. Then 89, 98 or 70? Yes, 70 because 7 is the smallest digit. Then 89 and after that biggest one 98. Second one, 119, 102, 137, 150 and 199. बच्चों इधर तो सारे डिजिट सेम है. अगर आप फर्स्ट डिजिट को कंपेयर करोगे तो अब क्या करेंगे हम? गुड, सेकंड डिजिट को कंपेयर करेंगे. फॉर 119, 1 is the second digit. For 102, 0 is the second digit. and for 137, 3 is the second digit, and for 150, 5 is the second digit. At last, for 199, 9 is the second digit. Now compare and tell me which is the smallest one. Good. 0 is the smallest one. So we will write 102. After that, yes, 119. Then compare 3, 5 and 9. Yes, 3 is the smallest one. So 137. After that, good, 150. And at last, the biggest one, 199. Now, descending order. First one, 39, 14, 28, 49 and 52. Don't forget, my dear students, that descending order is exactly opposite of ascending order. So, here we have to start with the biggest number and move towards a smaller number. So, kindly compare the first digit of every number. 3, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Now tell me which is the biggest one? Good, 5. So 52. After that, very good, 4. So 49. And now compare 1, 2 and 3. Which is the biggest one? Yes, 3. So 39. After that, 28. And at last, the smallest one, 14. Now second one, 130, 146, 109, 113 and 160. Now tell me students, what we do? Because यहाँ पे फर्स्ट डिजिट में 1 है, तो अब क्या करेंगे? गुड, हम सेकंड डिजिट को कंपेयर करेंगे. 3, 4, 0, 1 and 6. Which is the biggest one? Good. 6 is the biggest one. So 160. After that, yes, 4. So 146. After that, compare 3, 0 and 1. Which is the biggest one? 3. So 130. After that, 113 and at last the smallest one, 109. And the last topic of today's session, multiplication tables. Basically, a table shows the results of multiplying two numbers. Let's learn a table of 1 together. 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 times 2 means 1 times 2, that is 2. 1 times 3 means 1 times 3, that is 3. Similarly, 1 times 4 equals to 4. 1 times 5 equals to 5. 1 times 6 equals to 6. 1 times 7 equals to 7. 1 times 8 equals to 8. 1 times 9 equals to 9. And 1 times 10 equals to 10. Now it's time for table of 2. याद रखना बच्चों, हम जिसको भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं आंसर डबल हो जाता है. लाइक 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. व्हाट इज अ डबल ऑफ 1? यस, 2. 2 times 2 becomes 4 as double of 2 is 4. Similarly, 2 times 3 equals to 6. 2 times 4 equals to 8. 2 times 5 equals to 10. 2 times 6 equals to 12. 2 times 7 equals to 14. 2 times 8 equals to 16. 2 times 9 equals to 18 and 2 times 10 equals to 20. So finally, here we have completed our session 3. Do the revision of all the topics at your home. Kindly refer revision notes for your queries. Thank you.